So I'm here with Don Ahern, CEO and founder of Snorkel and Extreme. He's an innovator that understood the power of lithium, and it's fun. It's fun because we get to work with him to power these things that power America. See, we just build batteries, and they're simple, effective, and they work, but what he puts them in is incredible. So I want you to hear him explain what he does with these units and how lithium helps his entire operation.
Hello, my name is Don Ahern. I own Snorkel Manufacturing, Extreme Manufacturing. In the Snorkel line, we build equipment that takes people up into the sky. But we want to show you today one of our newest Snorkel products, which is the model 3220, which, as you can see down here where the lead acid batteries would normally be sitting, now we only need half as many batteries in here as what we did with lead acid. Not only we need half as many batteries, but they work twice as good. And they only cost a little bit more. And the delta is very, very small, and it's very well worth it, because now we figured out earlier today that by the time we go out on a job site and fill these batteries, the lead acid batteries, 3 times, we've paid for the delta on the lithium battery versus lead acid batteries. Now, these things also will last 5 years, probably 10 years. We're offering 100% 5-year warranty on all of our lithium product. I just don't know how to tell you how excited I am at this whole paradigm shift that's going on between lead acid and lithium. It's just going to change the rental industry. It's going to change the manufacturing. It's going to reduce the labor cost that every rental yard has. They're going to reduce the number of trucks they've got going out, all with the rising in cost brewing up underneath us as rental people. This battery, you just leave it alone for 5 years, you don't touch it. That's as good as life gets. So what I'd like to say is, with the BigBattery system at 48 volts on this new product, this is kind of becoming the standard setup for us now, is to take a rough terrain machine that typically was not electrically driven and make it electrically driven. It's very efficient on electricity with electric motors at each wheel. We just charge the batteries as necessary, so it's quiet. It goes indoor and outdoors. Typically, we've only used this type of a system for indoor application. We go inside, outside. A lot of times they don't put the foundations in and so forth. They can now run on rough terrain dirt and work inside of a building and charge. They can, and in that application we don't have power, shore power to charge. So now we can put a little engine in here. It's like half the horsepower or a fourth the horsepower that you would typically see in a machine like this. So if you don't need to charge it with a generator, then you just don't put the generator in it, which would be more the common. That'll be more common, and that'll be the standard in it. Thank you.
So partnerships with Don Ahern are what allow BigBattery to produce a lot of batteries and focus on what we do, while Don Ahern is the expert in what he does. What he's been able to accomplish is incredible, and I am so proud to be your partner.
Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it, partner.
Don Ahern.
This is the best relationship I think we've ever found in our many years. Snorkel was founded over 60 years ago. I bought it about 13 years ago. But now, when I started in manufacturing just over 20 some years ago, this is the best relationship I could have ever hoped for. Thank you.